last round of Drift Pro. We are here at Snetterton. Car's being warmed up and cleaned out by the boys. The sun is shining. It was absolutely horrific weather. Storm Babette, or whatever its name was, has been kicking our backsides for the last few days. We're happy that now the sunshine is out. Everyone is happy. See puddles on the floor still, but at the moment it's looking better than last year, which doesn't take a great deal. We've got Drift Pro lights on today, which are the boys all over there, same as last year. Yogi should have been out there as well, but he had his newborn son arrive on Friday night, so yeah, congratulations to you, my man. Shame we're not going to see you out on track, but yeah, we're going to get ready. It's an hour and a half of practice this morning, so loads more time compared to normal. So yeah, we're just going to take our times getting ready, get ourselves out there, get the cameras on, and here we go. Right guys, so the hour and a half of practice has passed. It wasn't the absolute craziness of loads of laps as we were expecting, but we definitely did get more than the regular Drift Pro. So yeah, first couple of laps were a bit sketchy, as you can well imagine, learning the kind of patchiness of the track, but also getting up to speed with the car. I think we ended up actually having probably a little bit too much grip because we carried on from the Brands Hatch settings that we had there. So yeah, just tweaked it a little bit, had a couple of chats with Yogi as well, and I think we're getting there. So yeah, put a good chase on against Josh. I think we were both going to go off on the hairpin, but he managed to stay out my door, so well done that man. I hope I didn't put you off too much. But anyway, yeah, now it's time to fuel up, meth up, tyres, ready for qualification in the next 45 minutes. Right then guys, so qualification is over. Got one good lap in, which was my first lap. Second lap, I thought, right, we'll try a little bit more speed, a little bit more finesse and stuff like that, and unfortunately then went off at the first little hairpin because carrying too much speed. And like I was just saying to the boys just then, that then made the corner a few yards longer, which then made it even harder then to get the final corner right as well. So anyway, that's whatever that is. I think we've done enough to get in. Josh was saying similar things as well. Saw a few people understeering. There's been a few mechanical failures as well. I'm hoping that Louis is now going out there to attempt his second run because he shut down on his first. So yeah, we'll just see what happens. The sun is here, we're having a good time, long may it last. Guys, so I am at the back of the tent and we are through 8th place. So like I said earlier, second lap definitely didn't do me any favours, but first lap got me through, and we're going to be against the new guy, Beachy. This seems to be the guy that's an absolute dead heat copy of what happened to Brands Hatch. So let's see if we can repeat the result for that one and then make it through into the Great 8. Family are over there just having a nice little picnic because the weather is phenomenal, and yeah, just hoping that we can repeat what happened to Brands. So yeah, time for a Red Bull, time to get it queued up. So, update. Top 16 against Beachy. Went through against him. So, yeah, I think we put on an all right line. He followed us in quite nicely, and yeah, we put on a decent lead. Pretty happy with that. But when it came for his chase, he got a little bit of a gap on me after that first corner because he initiated absolutely mint in there. But the difference was he started to build a bit too much speed and had my issue on the second quali run, I think, where he overshot a little bit on the hairpin, and yeah, that was kind of where we went from there. I didn't want to overtake him, so we kind of did a little bit of a messy burnout and stuff beside him, but we were definitely starting to come back. But anyway, that is us through top 8, which is always my goal, and that now means that we're going to be up against Mr. Paulie C, top qualifier of the day. So yeah, we've definitely got our work cut out for this piece, and yeah, I'm hoping that we can put it on his door. See you out there. Okay guys, so you may have noticed that the location has changed a little bit. Now at home on the farm. Yeah, a lot happened in the afternoon at Snetterton, and all of a sudden it got dark. We were trying to pack up, and yeah, it was just amazing how the rest of the day went. So anyway, after Beach, he went up against Paul Cunnington, top qualifier as mentioned earlier, and yeah, as you'd well imagine, his lead line was perfect. Taught me again a little bit more about the line. Unfortunately, after that turn 1, I clipped a little bit of the kind of green curbing that's around the edge of that corner. The revs went up and I lost a bit of grip, and he started to walk away. So yeah, that was all we had for that one. And then I tried to leave him standing on my lead. It was all going well until that damn hairpin again. where I slightly kind of got the kind of line through that a bit wrong, stalled out a little bit, and yeah, I think that was all that the judges needed to see on that one. So unfortunately that put me out in the top 8. Paul went on to go and win the event, so congratulations, my man. Yeah, put on some amazing bits and pieces there. I did some demos with Beachy and a few of the other boys as well, so it was nice to get a few more laps in, burn the last few sets of tyres off on the Z. But yeah, unfortunately with me going out in the top 8, that then meant that Mr. Dave Bastin could leapfrog me and Ollie Evans and get into that 3rd place in the championship. So yeah, congratulations to you there, man. Again, amazing driving yesterday at Snetterton, which is always a challenging circuit, but yeah, one that's always been nice to us in the past, but unfortunately not this time. So fortunately we ended up, I think, about in 5th place overall championship as well, so we always seem to be stuck in that 4th and 5th spot at the moment, but hopefully next year, 2024, we will come back bigger and stronger with the Z and really put on a cracking show, because I think our driving and again the performance of the Z seems to be better than ever before. Massive thanks to the Drift Pro guys, staff, start line marshals, all the guys that put the gazebos up, all that kind of good stuff. Thank you so much for that. And as well, thank you to the judges. You know, it's definitely not an easy task, especially with how quick you guys need to make all the decisions and get those ones out through to us. Check it out. We're going to be doing a bit more to the Z over the winter, tweaking little improvements, but also I'm going to be going through a little bit more of a strict training diet with Mr. Yogi. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you soon.